I'm Cary. I go to Albert Gallatin High School. On January 16th, I was on my way to school. I didn't have to be there till 11 o'clock. I looked down for a second, looked back up, and I was in the oncoming lane. I swerved. I got back in my lane, and I was heading toward the guardrail, and I swerved again. And then I hit a culvert and flipped a couple times, and then the cop said that I flipped 4 times. I lost my truck. I can't work now. I'm a machinist. I started my new job at Little Machine on the 2nd of January. I broke my back. I'll be off work for 6 weeks. I lost a lot of money. I learned that you go the speed limit, you wear your seatbelt, and you pay attention. And don't take your eyes off the road.